Hello, I'm Peter, illustrator, 3D artist and motion designer. In this course, I will show you some tricks how to create an original digital illustration from freehand drawing to a complete digital artwork. We are going to start it with sketching on paper with simple pencil, then continue it in Illustrator. After that, we will add atmosphere to our vector illustration in Photoshop, like depth, sunshine or mist. I will show you my well-tried methods and all the tips of the illustration process. Finally, you will find my bonus lecture, and with it you can make cool 3D scene from the layered artwork. Enjoy creating! Hello, let's start to draw with sketch on paper. We need a simple soft pencil. In this case, I'm going to use 6B pencil, or you can also use equivalent pencil that you have. In my opinion, this is enough dark for freehand sketches. Okay, I started to define the frame of the picture. I really love the square format, but now I would like to get something taller size. Approximately the ratio is 4:5. My work title is Slope, so I want to create a powerful picture. I'm going to choose diagonal composition. The line means the road for the bicycle. It's quite buffy for our cyclist girl. Somewhere here the bike will be. In the street there are some houses close to the road. I think a Victorian house will be a nice choice in this scene. Draw the roof and the walls. The walls covered by white wood planks. Later I will draw them. Here is the dormer of the roof. Then we draw another house. It's similar like the previous one. As you see, I don't use perspective view. I usually choose simple front view. Well, of course we need a chimney on it. And also draw a traditional mailbox between the houses. There are some trees in the back. It can be a little bit bigger than the houses. It looks like an ice cream or candy floss because I want a cartoon art style. There is another one. In the center of the picture is the biggest one. The trunk and the branches. I'm going to draw circle windows for the houses. And define the most important element in our scene. The girl with her bicycle. Here are the wheels, her head and body. She's really speedy, so I draw the bicycle close to the picture frame. That's why the composition will be tight. Now it's just a quick sketch. Later I will draw it with much more details. The Victorian houses has got big and bright windows, so draw one. The story sets on a late summer day, everything is full of color and the trees lose their leaves. The weather is windy, so leaves are everywhere in the street. Okay. And here is our quick sketch. Oh, and I forgot the clouds. Now I'm going to create a circle window. They always look cute on the house. The glass has blue color. The frame. And create shadow for it. In the following steps, I will define the main window. It will be square window. The color is different than the main wall. Here is the big window. With pen tool, draw the frames. Unit it. Here is the curtain too. It's just the silhouette of the curtain. I use brighter color. And some more lines. I will draw some lines to show the shape of the wood frame. I will draw some lines to show the shape of the wood frame. It looks better. Alright,